tonight for Cancer full moon. So we have full moon in Cancer. It's around 11 p.m. in the UK, so could be on the 7th in some other places. And I've got a few messages for this one. So first one is self-care. So as life is starting to ramp up again, I know a lot of people have had time off over Christmas and New Year. The message is keep making time, even a little bit of time each day for whatever your self-care and well-being activities are. Second message is about new personal connections. So lots of us will be developing new friendships and relationships from this full moon. So recognize them when they occur. Trust in them, they're positive, enjoy them and develop them over time. Third message is for us to lead the way in being kind, balanced and mature, and other people will follow your lead. Other people are going to need your lead on this sort of behaviour to follow as a reminder to be more considerate and empathetic just in daily life, daily encounters. And fourth message is this is a very emotional full moon. A lot of people are feeling extremely emotional, sometimes for no apparent reason at the moment. There's also a sense of despair, both in the world, in world situations, and mirrored in our individual lives. Sense of despair at things not improving the way we'd hoped, but in fact appearing to get slightly worse. So when these feelings come, feel them, let them pass through you rather than holding on tight and letting them weigh you down. And don't despair at this sense of injustice, because the card we got is the Justice card. So we've got Justice here holding the scales of justice in one hand and the sword of truth in the other hand. And justice is powerful, major arcana. And the message here is you may think people have got away with unjust behaviour and treatment of others because you're not seeing any improvement in attitude or their behaviour or any repercussions for it whatsoever. But this card is reminding us that justice will and is being done, even if we can't see it. This is karmic justice. So as I've said before, just step back and allow this huge process to unfold. In the meantime, just keep being a good person without spite or vindictiveness, and this situation will play out in a way that does achieve justice. So that is the message of this full moon, and I'll talk again soon. Thanks for listening.